Hi everyone and welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn some money. And this is very easy. If you're looking for a way to earn money while you're sitting in your house, I will show you exactly what you have to do. You can earn up to $500 a day, depending on how you do and on your level of typing. You can make good amount of money. All you have to do is follow the steps, and I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do to start making money right now. So now we're going exactly to the website where you can apply to start making money just by typing. Here, this is the site. This site is named Talent Desire. So I'm going to show you exactly one thing that you have to do first before you start getting pay for your work. So first, if you would like to have more money, if you want to get paid more, you will have to go to that other website that I'm going to show you right now. Its name is the name of that website is Ratatype. That website you see right now, I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do. Okay, you can navigate to that page to better familiar with it. And then now we're going to take a typing test. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to click where it says typing test. And right here, you can see not only you can take a test, you can also get a certificate after you take the test. So you see right here, you can see there are different level of the tests. You can have a platinum, a gold, or silver. All those levels depend on how you do all you do in the typing test. Okay, so the better you do and the more chance you will have to earn more money. So if you are good at typing, this is the perfect work for you. So, and also in order for you to get the certificate, I believe you have to log in. Okay, it's not it's a free, so you just have to log in. And then when you log in, and then you're gonna take start typing. So when you start typing, and then after you finish typing, this is and you will they will give you a certificate. And here you can see some example of the speed writing. Okay, and what really count is the speed of your writing and also the accuracy. So make sure you do good on your test. So when you finish, then what you're going to do, you're going straight back to the page that I talked to you about, which is the Talent Desire. So now we are in Talent Desire. So you know what you're going to do. You're going straight to where it says current opening. Okay. So now we are in current opening, and then we are looking for online typing job. So let's see. There are several different ones. As you can see, there are medical transcription jobs, there are online tutoring and other kind of jobs. And then what we're looking for is online typing jobs. So right here, you can see online typing jobs, and the estimated per day earning is from $60 to $120 per day. That means you can make that much money, but you can make more because it depends on your level of typing, the speed, the accuracy, and all that. So if, for example, let me go down and I will show you an example, because all that depend on how you type. So the faster you type, the more money you will be making. So let's first click on this one, the online typing, and see exactly what you have to do. And as you can see right here, they explain how much money you're gonna be making, and they offer let's see, there another one that shows that you can earn up to $1,300 $13,500 to $27,000 per year. So that means you can make that amount, plus you can make more than that depending on your level of typing. And then they show also the rate, the pay rate, and you can go over all the informations so you can exactly know what you have to do to earn that money. And here you can see the levels, and the levels of writing. You have beginner, you have an intermediate, you have professional, you have expert, and each and seeing in every one of them has a different amount of money you can earn. Okay, so these are the earning per words. You see the price right here, and then here you can see an estimated amount of money you can make. And if you go down, you can see they say, for example, per pages, let's say $3 per page, $3 per words or something like this, 300 words right here, it says it, and 15 pages per day, 60 hours a day, and they give you $45. And then here we have $6 per page rate, $15 per page, and then you get the $90. Imagine for 15 pages you make $90. So if you multiply this by, let's say, 5 or 10 times, depending on how much time you have during the day, so you can make more. You can make a lot more money by just by typing. So guys, if you are someone who was good at typing, and I think it is a good opportunity for you to start making money with that website. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification, because this is the only way for you to receive all my notifications when I upload a video. I will do my best to come back with more videos for you guys. And also, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share that video with your friend, with anybody you know that is good at typing and would like to make an earning with that skill. So please leave me a comment and tell me what do you think. And if you find the job, please also let me know. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care.